So the question is 4 power of x equal to x to the power of 64. The value of x is equal to what? Now, what we are going to do in this exponential equation is to raise both sides to the power of 1 over 64. That is the reciprocal of 64 give me 1 over 64. So let's raise the power of both sides to the 1 over 64. So we are going to have 4 power of x, we raise it to the power of what? 1 over 64 equal to x to the power of what? 64 multiplied by 1 over 64. Now by so doing, we are going to eliminate the 64 and this cancel out this. Okay, we are left with 4 power of x or raised to the power of 1 over 64 equal to x. Okay, but there is still a problem on this equation because we still have x. So what we are going to do is to raise again both sides to the power of 1 over the reciprocal of x, which will give me 1 over x. So we are going to have 4 power of x or raised to the power of 1 over 64 multiply that with 1 over x is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Now, by so doing, we can see that this cancel out this x, so we are left with 4 power of 1, right? Or raised to the power of 1 over 64 equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Now, remember that if I divide, I can say that let this 1 becomes 4 over 4. Because if I say 4 over 4 will give me 1, I'm done nothing to this equation. It's still what it is. So I can say that let 4 to the power of 4 over 4, because 4 over 4 will give me 1, right? All this is still raised to the power of 1 over 64 equal to x to the power of what? 1 over x. Now I can choose to write this as 4 to the power of 4 or raised to the power of 1 over 4 times 1 over 64 equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Because if I say 4 times 1 over 4, I'm getting 4 over 4. And when I say 4 divided by 4, I'm getting 1, right? So we have done nothing to this equation. Now what we are going to do is, now 4 to the power of 4 is 256. So let's continue it here. So 4 to the power of 4 will give me 256 raised to the power of 1, because 1 times 1 is 1. Now 4 times 64 will give me 256 equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Now by so doing, we look at this equation that by comparison we can compare that x equal to 256, because this is 1 over 256, this is 1 over x, this is 256, and this is x. So by comparison we can see that, so therefore the value of x is equal to 256. And that is the final answer in this